our oath, our covenant sign. The factory must grow. One more line. One more line. One more line. One more line. Somewhere out there the last tree still stands, a quiet green witness to circuit board sands. I meant to come back when the work was complete, but the silos are empty, the belts never sleep. Sing with the hum of machinery, 10,000 furnaces, one single decree. Launch the rocket, then build it again. There is no enough, there is only when. This is our soul, our reason, our crime. The factory must grow till the end of all time.